Welcome to Tuscany, a land of rolling hills and golden light, where vineyards stretch to the horizon, and where every stone village whispers of history. Tuscany is the heart of Italy's soul. Here, landscapes unfold like paintings, fields of sunflowers glow in summer, olive groves shimmer in the breeze, and cypress trees line the winding roads. It is a land where beauty feels eternal, and where life is lived slowly, with joy. The cities of Tuscany are treasures of art and culture. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, still shines with masterpieces. The Duomo rises proudly over the skyline, while Michelangelo's David stands as a symbol of genius. Every street feels like an open-air museum, where art, history, and beauty walk hand in hand. Siena offers a different charm. Its medieval streets lead to the Piazza del Campo, where the famous Palio horse race fills the city with color. The Gothic cathedral, striped in black and white marble, tells of faith, art, and tradition. Siena feels like a journey into the past, a city where history still breathes. In Pisa, the Leaning Tower rises, a marvel of architecture and time. Beside it, the cathedral and baptistery stand proudly in the Square of Miracles. Pisa reminds travelers that even imperfections can become symbols of wonder. But Tuscany is not only about its cities. Its villages bring peace to the soul. San Gimignano, the town of towers, rises above the hills with medieval pride. Montepulciano and Montalcino are surrounded by vineyards that produce world-famous wines. Every village feels timeless, a place where tradition is alive. The countryside is Tuscany's greatest gift. Rolling hills turn golden at sunset, and misty valleys glow at dawn. Vineyards and olive groves cover the land, while stone farmhouses rest quietly among the fields. Driving through Tuscany feels like stepping into a painting, every turn more beautiful than the last. Food is another treasure of Tuscany. Here, meals are simple, yet full of flavor. Fresh bread, pecorino cheese, wild boar, and truffles, all paired with Chianti or Brunello wines. Food is not just eaten, but celebrated. A moment to share, to slow down, to enjoy. What makes Tuscany truly special is the balance of life. Here, history and nature, art and tradition all live together in harmony. It is a land that teaches you to pause, to breathe deeply, to see beauty in simplicity. Tuscany is not just a destination. It is a feeling, a journey through landscapes and time, a reminder of how sweet life can be. Every sunrise here promises discovery, and every memory becomes a treasure of the heart.